Hello students, today we are going to see newspaper is a collection of half injustices. Okay students, so what does the first stanza state here? That newspaper is a collection of half injustices. The first line is a statement whereby the poet makes a point. Now why is it a collection of half injustices and half justices? That is being explained later. You can see that boys are crying out loud, screaming, and attracting the attention of the public, saying that they have the news of the day, okay, the breaking news. And when they say that, everybody is curious to know what the news is. And the news is spread to thousands and millions of people. Now, these people include merciful and sneering men. By merciful means those who forgive. They say, okay, let's give this person whose news is being published one more chance. And sneering means those who are not the friends, okay, those who don't like that person and those who are happy that he is in the clutches of the news and the media. The next two lines says that families who are just along the fireside enjoying the regular chat and conversation, speculating about their own problems, suddenly get engrossed in this news which comes through the newspaper in their house, and leaving their own problems or their own celebration, they get engulfed in this news, and then they are stirred, okay, by the news of some agony, someone's misery, someone's hardship, and what kind of losses the other party, the other person has faced. So this is what is explained in the first stanza. Now we are going in for second and third stanza. A newspaper is a court. See here, just like court, a newspaper conducts a trial by presenting evidence and views. Only thing is, it is little judgmental about the issue. Alright, and sometimes honest men also get framed incorrectly, okay, and everyone doesn't get a chance to present his or her views and judgment. Some are kindly tried, that means some are right, and some are unfairly tried, means you are being judgmental about that person. And you know what happens? That issue creates such a controversy in that person's life that his reputation is being tarnished. Okay, just like a student said, you can break or make his image. So a newspaper creates a lot of impact in a person's life. Sometimes these journalists don't realize it, and uh, in their excitement of their profession, they go on accusing that person, and this unpleasantness is left for a long time in that person's life. So this is what is meant by a newspaper is a court. Next, a newspaper is a market. What happens in market? We sell things. So what happens in newspaper? They are selling the news, okay, and sometimes the wisdom is sold, means it goes for a toss. Some dishonest men or some not so wise men are also falsely appreciated, whereas learned men often go unnoticed. So melons are crowned by the crowd means some very insignificant person or not that a socially relevant celebrity is made or created a huge hype, and then the people start liking him or her. So some person who's really creating a stir in the society goes unnoticed, and someone who is like average gets that hyped. So this is what is meant by a newspaper is a market, where journalists try to sell news which is tempting for the people. Moving on. Now we are going for the third stanza. A newspaper is a game. See, you can see in this pic also there are two players. Only when the second player is doing some error and coming behind, that the first player is winning. Similarly, in this context, there are two players, which are journalist and the accused or the celebrity or the person whose news is published in the newspaper. Okay, so here the journalist will win if the other person continues to do error or continues to commit mistake or is unable to prove his or her innocence. Similarly, if the other person is smarter, if he has skill, then he or she will win against his fight with the journalist by proving his or her innocence and by proving whatever news is being published is not completely justified. So, thus, newspaper is a game. Moving on. Newspaper is a symbol. Symbol of what? Of life. Of life's weak records. Means what? The records which we have not maintained properly, whereby we have been giving more importance only to unnecessary, irrelevant things like our ego or like some stupidities. Okay. Similarly, newspapers also relevant things like infrastructure or somewhere where development is there, these things get sidelined and some other news of some celebrities or some bigwigs gets published, their donation, their charities or their scandals will be published. Okay. And people, we common people get entangled in that news. Okay, we start highlighting that news because that news is hyped and then ignore the real development issue. Usually it is known as yellow journalism, whereby politicians join hand with the journalist and try to create the hype around that news because they want the people to forget about the real issue. Okay, so somewhere they feel that newspaper is not a proper record of facts. Okay, this is what the poet wants to say through this poem. I hope the poem is clear by now. Question and answers can be written in your own words since you have understood the meaning. All right, thank you.